Noon, pinag-pray ko kay Lord na sana bigyan niya ako ng partner na Christian. Dumaan ang buwan at taon, unti-unti na kitang nakilala na kung paano ka mag-serve sa ating Panginoon. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, wow, ito na yung hinahanap ko.
Natakot ako nung panahong umamin ka sa akin na gusto mo ko. And I know that time na hindi pa ako handa. July 7, 2019, naging tayo, pero di ko alam kung paano nagsimula. Alam ko, sasabihin mo sa kanila na ako ang nanligaw sa'yo.
Hindi natin namalayan, naging tayo na lang bigla. Dumaan ang ilang buwan at taon na away-bati tayo. Umabot sa hiwalayan, pero nagkakabalikan din naman. Hanggang umabot nga tayo dito ngayon.
Madami tayong natutunan at nagpa-realize sa akin at sa atin that when things didn't go according to our plans, we have to stop holding on it and learning to let it go. And kailangan natin paghawakan yung pinakamagandang plano ng Diyos para sa atin.
Huwag kayong maghihiwalay. Kahit anong problema dumating, huwag kayong maghihiwalay. Magpakabait kayo.
Promise is not made to be broken now. It should not. It should made to be in place kahit anong hirap.
It's all waiting for us. In the steady breeze, we feel the rush of expectation. Empty pages we can fill. On a distant song that moves us forward. In the dark we feel it still. And the morning speaks to these open dreams. And we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you. Sunlight or underneath the moon.
Bu, pinapangako ko sa iyo na mamahalin kita habang buhay sa hirap at ginawa, sa kasiyahan at kalungkutan.
You are the blessing in my life. I couldn't be happier, more in love, and more cared for than I am now. Excited na akong harapin ang kinabukasan kasama ka. I really thank God that I finally found my safe place, peace, love with you.
Mahal na mahal kita, Bu.
I love you, Lord, sa Dungay Dirigwa.
In the sunlight or underneath the moon, all we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.